Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching even here. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. If you're new, welcome. My name is Wendy Trevino. Today I'm gonna be doing a Christmas haul, decor items related, everything that I have been buying little by little here and there. Let me go ahead and start. I have like products scattered everywhere. I have products from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Dollar Tree, Walmart. So let me go ahead and start with Dollar Tree because I have the least products from there. So the first item that I picked up were these gift boxes. There's a 3-piece for only $1, and I thought it was really cute. It has the snowman, and then over here little penguins. So 3 boxes for just $1 is very affordable because you know how these can be pricey like at Target, and all of these go on the trash. Like nobody saves these boxes, so just in case I'm gonna need some of these, I had to pick those boxes up. And most of the times, I'm not gonna lie, I wrap the boxes because they don't go with my theme. That's why I get them at Dollar Tree. So yeah, I picked that up. And then I found these for the cookies or muffins, whatever you want to put in there, and it's green. Like I said, I'm incorporating this green in the Christmas tree because it's more vibrant, and I'll be having a hard time finding a not a garland, like a ribbon for it this color. So I'm still looking for that. But this one I picked it up because if we go to the valley, like to see my family for vacations, I always my niece is always asking me to make her cookies, and I always take them with a container from Dollar Tree. That way I don't have to worry about bringing it back home and all that. They can just keep it. So I picked that one up just in case. And then I picked up these what are these chenille stems? I don't know how you call these, but I just picked this up just to use with my garland and the Christmas tree, with items that are a little heavier and don't want to stick, so they won't look so ugly with other items, like trying to put it in there. And then just ornament hooks because I know I'm gonna need some. I think last year I was missing some, so I have to pick one from the Dollar Tree. I got this as well from the Dollar Tree, just $1, but these are gonna be used for my garland. Like I said, I'm gonna incorporate this green, and I wanted to like put a little more of these ones so it could look more fuller, really nice. Just $1 for this, and I feel like this is a great amount for my garland. And then, like I said, this is the color that I'm looking for my Christmas tree, but of course I need a big one. That way I can not be missing. Like I feel like I would have to buy like 10 of these. I don't know, like I never put this kind of mesh on my tree, so I want the big one. So I think I'm gonna go to Joann's and look for that. Did I have other things? Oh yeah, I have other stuff here. And then I have to pick this one up from Dollar Tree as well because these I put them in the mantle on the fireplace. That way it could hook the garland, and one of them failed, so I need one more. The other one's still there. And my daughter picked this snowman, so adorable, so you should probably put this one on the Christmas tree. Last but not least, from the Dollar Tree, I picked this because my kids' request for Thanksgiving was for me to make homemade mac and cheese. They love it when I make it. It's their favorite, and the pan that I have is not really deep. It's like this, so I don't know, like I feel like I needed to be deeper so the macaroni can be like very cheesy and not come up little crusty on the top. They like it very cheesy, so I thought it was a great idea just to pick this from Dollar Tree and make it on these, and you know, toss this when the mac and cheese is gone. So yeah, I picked that, and I think that's the last item from the Dollar Tree. So moving on to Hobby Lobby. Since everything's on this bag, I feel like it's easier for me just to grab everything and show you. Hopefully I don't get glitter everywhere. Fun fact, my husband hates glitter, but it's okay. I'm gonna be decorating the house, so he will not have glitter on his hands. So I picked these two up just to put like the pics on top of the tree and make it look more like glam, more fuller. And these were $5.99 plus the 50% off, so I paid $5.99 for 2 of these, and I can just spread these ones. And of course I do have the candy canes that go on the top, so I have other items to make it fuller. So I think that this was missing on my tree. These items were missing on my tree to make it look more nice. So I picked 2 of those, and then I had to pick up the red. I was looking for the greens. There goes all the glitter. I was looking for the green ones and there was none. So yeah, red and white, and then the candy canes. I'm still gonna look for green. That way you can like just like, you know, blend with everything that I'm trying to put in the tree. So since I didn't find, oh my god, there's so much glitter on this bag. Since I didn't find the green pigs, I picked this up that says Merry Christmas. How beautiful this is. So I feel like I can put this in front of the tree when all these are on top, and put this one like in the front, and it can just stand out with the green. Sorry, I'm not even showing you. So yeah, I thought it was a great idea, just in case I don't find green pigs for the tree. And this one was only $5. I only paid $2.50 for this. I thought it was a great deal. So yeah, try not to get the glitter everywhere. This was my favorite pick from Hobby Lobby, and I only paid $12.99 for both of them, because $12.99 for each, so I only pay $12.99 for both. And these so beautiful, like they're gonna blend so well for what I'm going for, because like the little red ornaments stand out so much with the green, which is like, I don't know, like it's a perfect for the candy cane. It has like little white snow, so it's perfect. And because I want to incorporate this type of green, and I feel like they're so beautiful. Like I always wanted these kind of trees in my house, and yeah, I can't wait to put this on my house. Last items from Hobby Lobby are picks, and I have a bunch of these on red and white, red and silver, because they don't have white. But I think I have 12 in here. So I picked up these that were just 99 cents, so 50 cents for each, whatever. So yeah, I picked a bunch of these to put on the tree and blend again with the red and white and the candy cane. So these are so beautiful. Like these things make your tree stand out so much, and I can't believe how affordable they are, and the color. And they actually, if you're looking for like a darker green, they do have a darker green, but this is the color that I want. Like they have these, you see how this one's darker? This is the other color that they have, but this is the color that I want. Like I feel like it's just bright so much. So that was everything from Hobby Lobby, and I'm so excited that I'm gonna be able to decorate my tree tomorrow. Probably do it today. I have time today. So moving on to Target, I have, this is for my daughter's room, which is this room. She wanted a Christmas tree, and her favorite color of course is pink. We were actually looking for the pink ones, exactly the same as this, but they were $1 and we couldn't find it, and this was only $3. So this is for her room, which she will be having here. And then we found these two for $1. So adorable, pink. And I actually want to buy her more stuff for her room to be pink. Like I was thinking like a garland, like a pink garland for Christmas, but I'm still on the hunt, so I'm not done shopping. But this is what I have for now. Then I saw this one. It was so adorable. It's the mistletoe, and I don't know, like I saw it and I was just like drawing my attention. It was only $3, and I feel like I can put this like on top of the tree. I don't know, I thought it was so adorable. I love it. I love like this goes with my theme, the candy cane. And yeah, I picked this up. I don't know, it just drew my attention. I picked up this one that says ho ho ho, and it has red and black, and the things are red. This was, I feel like I can put gifts for my husband on these bags because they're like more like mature, and it was just $1 for that. And then I found these ones that are coming a pack of 2 candy cane, and then this black one that says have yourselves a merry little Christmas. And I know I don't have black on my theme, but I feel like those are like for adults. Like I sometimes, last year I was missing bags. I felt like I had so many for kids, and I was like, I don't want to put that gift for like an adult in that bag, so I had to pick that up. And then I picked up the paper cutter. This one, oh my god, I feel like I needed it last year. Hopefully it works. It was just $1. If it doesn't, because I mean I only wasted $1, but I'm hoping that it works because I always have trouble cutting the paper. And then I know these are for like little, you know, like those DIYs for the clear cones, or I don't know how you call it, like little balls. But I thought it was cute to put some of these candy canes on my kids' gifts, like just to put a little candy cane next to the tag that says to, from, who, whatever. And then this one was not on the dollar spot, but it's for my daughter. It's so cute. I already know what gift is going on this. It's like a little reindeer with a pom-pom in the nose, and this one was $1, so I mean, cannot go wrong with that. So then I found these bags. These are jumbo bag and tag, and since, like I said, me and my husband go for Christmas, most of the time we go and visit family, just in case we go and kids bring gifts from our family members, they can put them in these bags, and that way I know like those are their Christmas gifts instead of like trash bags and all that. So I picked two. They were just $1, the green one like for the boys, and this one that says la 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 for my daughter. There you go. So I picked those up. They're gonna come in handy. And then I saw this one. How adorable is this? This is the Santa Claus official mail. It was only $3, and it comes with the little letters where they can write whatever they want, put it in there, send it to Santa. We do this every year, and this year I know the little letters super small, but my boys can actually write on here, and I can help my daughter write it for her. And so yeah, let's see what they're gonna ask Santa for this year. So that was adorable, and I can actually put this like decorated and put it somewhere in the house. So that was nice. Then we have these beautiful Santa's Friend icing decorations. I found them at Target, and I couldn't resist myself for the kids to make cupcakes, or actually make a Christmas theme cake, and put these ones like decorated with some of these like on the side. I don't know, but I thought they were adorable. I couldn't pass on this. And then I found this one for my cocoa bar, the chocolate, the coffee for the kids, the one with marshmallow. And my daughter actually loves mint, so I thought this one was a great idea just for her to mix her chocolate. And then this one for her little cup, so she can put it on it, and looks so adorable. So yeah, I picked this one for my coffee. So moving on to Walmart. Sorry about the lighting, my window's open. So these ones, I saw them and I was like, oh my god, perfect for the garland. I found this at Walmart for the garland, just to put them and, you know, like make it more full. Or actually I can put it on my wreath as well, the one that goes on my door. But they were only $190, $150 I think. Yeah, $148, and they go with my theme. So cute. I picked these four up. And this is the first year that we're putting this inflatable, and it's actually open because we were trying them to see if they work and they were not messed up. So we got the penguin because my daughter's obsessed with penguins, so we got that one especially for her. And then we picked up this for the boys. They were only $14.98, the reindeer. So we're gonna have these ones outside the house, and they actually light up, which is very nice. They look beautiful. They actually, the reindeer is the reindeer supposedly is 4 feet, and the other one's 3 feet, 3.5, and they're the same size. So yeah, we picked that up. And we picked two of these bags, kind of like a snow. We picked this up so we can put it outside in the grass, and then put these ones on top, and just can make it look like there's snow in there. So yeah, we picked two of these bags. I think they were $5. I don't know how much they were. And we picked two because we didn't know if it needed extra, but with one, it's good enough. And then this one, I found it at Marshall's. It was $2.99. I already have enough wrapping paper, but how beautiful is this wrapping paper with the Santa Claus? And maybe I can use this one for adults. I don't know, but I have so much wrapping paper. I didn't need another one, but I saw it and I couldn't resist myself for $2.99. It's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. So I love that. I just have 3 more items. So these two, I found them at Walgreens. Hopefully this one doesn't mess up. I found them at Walgreens for, I think they were $3.99, if I'm not wrong. How pretty are these? They go with my theme. Like, how beautiful are these? and I feel like this one probably go on my kitchen, my table. I don't know, we'll find a place for this beautiful Christmas tree. And then this one I got it at H-E-B. These are Santa sacks. These are little like gift bags, just in case I have little gifts, or I can put little candies to give it to my kids' cousins or for school. I don't know, like little things like that. Or I can actually put like a hand soap from Bath and Body Works for the teachers in here. So adorable. I hadn't thought about that. So it's come to the pack of 6, and they were only $3, I think. So I thought it was really cute with a little reindeer. So that was everything, you guys. Is what I have by the this is what I have at the moment. I do need more stuff. Like I said, I need more mesh for my tree and more little decorations. I feel like I need more green ornaments. And for the outside, I'm looking for like a sign that says welcome, and candy canes that's to put in the entrance. I don't know. And lights. I need lights. I'm gonna need new lights for the outdoor, because the ones that I had last year, ones were like a little messed up. So I know I'm gonna need lights. I'm gonna need lights, more stuff for the tree, and for my daughter, hopefully I can find more pink beautiful garland, because I didn't find the pink pumpkins that I wanted for her room. So hopefully with the Christmas theme I have more luck. I really want to go back to Hobby Lobby, and I need to go to Joann's. Oh yeah, and I need a doormat. So yeah, that was everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, bye.